Good afternoon, divine, beautiful souls. It's another beautiful day in Libra. And as we've talked about for the last few days, is Libra's leading planet is Venus. And it's about balancing and harmonizing these different aspects of ourselves in regards to a relationship. Allowing ourselves to recognize what needs to be balanced, what needs to change. Realchemizing things for a balance, for establishing justice within our own being. And by doing so, we take our journey through the transit of Libra in order to allow us to receive what we need to receive in our way, the way we need to receive. So, that being said, we're almost speaking to the universe. What is our love language? And if you guys ever taken that quiz, there's so many different ways to love. There's many ways to give love, and there's many ways to receive love. So, I ask you today, how do you like to receive love? Do you like to hear words of affirmation? Do you like to do things or have things done for you? Do you like spending time with yourself? Do you like to give yourself gifts? I feel like I'm missing one other one. There's 5, but think about all the different ways that you can love yourself and how you personally want to receive. And set the intention today to allow yourself to receive in that way. Why? Because today is step 10, degree point 10 in our beautiful Libra transit. What does that mean? That means that we're taking this Leo energy and the Scorpio energy as we've just worked through all of these different degree points, starting from 0 through 9, now going into 10. And we've kind of set this sacred space, this pot. Like, imagine like you're cooking, okay? And you're throwing these different ingredients in. The first one we did was love in the sacred space. Second is feeling that love. Getting our feelings and emotions in alignment, okay? And then our beliefs, our belonging, our communications and thoughts, our receiving, our compassion for ourselves, understanding, making those decisions and commitments and taking action. We've put them all into the pot now. And now it is time to see that manifestation within ourselves, okay? So at that point, the Taurus energy, that is the Leo and the Scorpio, are actually made up to be the Taurus energy, because now that love has jumped out and you've seen it. It's a physical property now because it's an earth sign. It's no longer etheric or an idea. It's physical, it's tangible. It relates to you at a physical level. That is what we're working on today. Where have we done the work where we're going to see it? So today, and when we're seeing this and through the eyes of Libra, where have we decided and taken action to have this manifestation of balance in our life? Where's the love apparent? That is what we're working on today. So, that being said, I'd like to draw a card on specifically with our manifestation process, joining together the energies of Libra and Taurus through the sun, where it is evident, where we see it, it shines. And let's draw a card. Oh, wow. The spark. A spark of life. The Ace of Wands really talks about the spark of life. A new beginning in regards to our actions, our passions, our instincts. Where does our heart light up in regards to our balance? What do we really need to pay attention to that fuels our passions and what we want to do for ourselves, with the relationship for ourselves in this world? Because at step 10, we're working on ourselves. As we jump through tomorrow, step 11, and then finally into step 12, we start relating it to others. But right now, what is the passion within our own self? What is the spark? What allows us to keep going? That is what we need to identify today for rebalancing, and see it, do it, feel it today. Let it be physical. See the hand? I love it because it's actually touching the fire. We're hands-on with this. Then we're going to take another card from the Ancient deck that will help us on this journey today. All is well. See, part of Taurus energy, there's this with Taurus energy, there's this struggle in a way. It's kind of like when you're giving birth. Like any mother who's gone through this will understand that there's this struggle of allowing that being to come through you. Well, that's the same with anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be a physical being. That's the same with the energy of a manifestation. But once it's seen, once it's out, once you feel it, see it, associate with it, relate to it, it's so beautiful. And you just allow it to flourish. You allow it to grow. You watch it grow. You enjoy it. You experience it in a physical way. So, Archangel Jeremiel is really helping us with that today, because it's saying all is well. All is well with our process. Everything is happening exactly as it's supposed to. With hidden blessings you will soon understand. Sometimes we may not understand everything, but that's where the magic is. That's where our faith in the process comes in. As we allow the beautiful organic work to unfold within our own being, to be manifested outside of ourselves. That is my message for today, divine beautiful souls. I love you, and namaste.